This is Alard item Y3746, a Marchant Schmidt model LC22 cheese cutter. It has a three-dimensional cutting setup to cut 40-pound or 20-kilogram blocks. We have, the discharge cover open here at the moment. Oops. That's what she looks like with the cover closed. We've got everything opened up here. Please don't do this at home. We've bypassed the safety system so that we can show you the workings of the machine. It is in like new condition. It has a control panel, stainless steel control box. I mean, this thing is all USDA, dairy, sanitary. Right now it is set up, as I'd mentioned, for block cutting for 40-pound or 20-kilogram blocks, 1.5-inch cubes. This is basically designed as it's a cheese cutter for pre-cutting cheese for further processing. So the grids are interchangeable. Chris, you want to give us a little? Yep, they slide out. You can change the wires, as you can see, to change the cut sizes.
We have a second set of matching parts to this. Also, a roller in feed for the 40-pound blocks. You just center it inside of the chamber and go through the cycle.
Yep, and it has two settings for different size. So if you have, what do they call it? Offcuts.
Of scraps.
So you can raise this roller table up, and if you set it to offcuts, then this raises up, and you can put the smaller blocks or the scraps or whatever offcuts are in there and do those. Here's the spare set of change parts. Obviously, it can be set up by just changing these wires to different dice sizes. We're going to show the control boxes over here just to show how comprehensively clean and like new this machine is. And this is obviously the electrical control box. And here you have the pneumatic control box.
I pulled this out here.
Yep. Oh, and I guess we can see it from the other side here. Nice and clean it is all the way through. The manual for this machine says the cheese should be tempered, which is to say somewhere between 35 and 45 degrees, I believe, were the temperature figures for cutting the cheese. And we're going to go ahead and cycle this machine. It has a full safety interlock system. As I said, don't do this at home. We've bypassed it just for this demo, for demo purposes, so you can see the machine run. So here it is. This comes up.
Chamber up first.
Yeah, and then we'll push the pushes it in, pushes the cheese through the grid. The pusher from the top comes down and sweeps off the layer. And there you are. You've finished with a block, and we're ready to cycle again.
It's ready to load.
Lifts the grid up underneath, pushes the cheese through the first grid, and then starts pushing the cheese through the second grid and sweeping off the cubes. So that should pretty well illustrate what this machine is and what it does and how it does it. It is, of course, pneumatic.
Cycle complete. done.
And it's here in stock. If you have any questions about this machine, give us a call at Alard Equipment at 315-589-4511. You can see the air input here. And it is otherwise 110 volt, single phase, household current. Has the emergency stop and all the safety features on it, which we will reset to be in the harmless position. This is our Alard item Y3746, a Marchant Schmidt cheese cutter. It is here in stock in like new condition, as you can see, in excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, pneumatic, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.